Hello, beautiful people. You have beautiful smiles. Hello, so if you have not been living under a rock, if you have been on any social media apps such as Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, you will know exactly what this is. And just to prove that, I'm going to show you exactly what came up on my laptop when I was searching through YouTube this morning.
Doesn't have time
This
to watch
ad.
something while they're sleeping.
Before you go to bed, pop them in.
This fucking ad about SmileDirectClub. Probably wondering how I came about the idea. Well, I'd seen many ads and recommended through by many friends, and surprisingly enough, I didn't get it then. I was actually on Tinder. I got a message off a girl, and I checked it, and turns out I had two conversations, and one was SmileDirectClub, where they had literally given me a promo code or a code to get money off, get a discount. So I got it for €11 and done the post today, so I'm going to try it out for this video and hopefully make my teeth straighter, because I have an underbite and my teeth aren't lined up perfectly, even though I had braces before, but that was a long time ago. That was when I was 12, so let's do this. So let's actually see what's inside the box. Okay, so we got something to read. I don't read. Got this card. What's this for? I think this is something you have to pay. I don't know, anyway. This is a sticker you use to send it back to get your liners. I guess it tells you how to take a picture of your teeth, I think. Basically you get information on if you need to call them, if you want to return or you can't return, I guess. Yep. This FedEx package, there's something in it. Don't much number 8. Document, I think, to help you return it. Do right now. Anyway. We got these aligners. I believe we got 4, but this just shows 2. Maybe someone need there. We got gray putty, and we got purple putty. We also got 4 of them that you apparently mix together and you put in here, and then you jab it up your teeth and you make a mold, I guess. So let's try that now.
You have to do this 4 times anyway, so yeah.
I know, yeah.
It's rolling. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, press down.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you can swallow if you want.
Uh-huh.
You're allowed to swallow if you want.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Huh?
Uh-huh. 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 That's it done. So as both of them done, this one has done a lot better. I would recommend you probably noticed I was using a towel against my mouth because you start drooling and that's nasty. So now let's do the top 2 of them. So because I didn't edit what I was doing, you get grey putty, the whole thing fits in this. You get the purple putty out as well. If you can, rip it out. Fuck. It was quick, 190 seconds, so. You get them both, mash them together, like stretch them, and flatten them onto each other because there's a purple one and a grey. There's a purple and a grey one. And it has to be uniform colours, so no streaks of purple or no streaks of grey. It'll look pretty much all grey when it's right, so just gotta do that a few times. You roll it a bit, do it again, stretch it, put it back together, stretch it, put it back together. Keep doing that. It'll take a while. It's pretty much all the same color, no really any streaks. Roll it into like a hot dog. Put it on top of this. So fit in the whole thing. So it looks like that, and then shove it in your mouth for 2.5 minutes. Oh, 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 ha ha ha. Oh, uh-huh. That's the first top one done. I'm gonna do the next one. It's over here, so I remember it's the top one. Same process. I'll probably show it out. Just show you when it's finished. My impressions are done. I have to grab a smile stretcher, which is I think I'm gonna look beautiful like this man right here. So I'll do that now. Okay, so it says insert the larger fins inside your mouth. The smaller fins will stay outside your mouth. Open this bad boy up. So these are big lads. Little. So larger fin inside your mouth, small fins. Okay, this is it. Okay, so. Oh. Ah. Ah. Ah ha ha ha. Aha. Her. Ah, it's weird talking that in your mouth. Now it just says mail them back. Okay, time to get my arms. I would recommend, I'll definitely document all this on my camera anyway and keep you informed on my Instagram or Snapchat if it works, and see you next time. Short video, but take care. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. See you next time. Bye.